Welcome back, everybody. Today we are looking at a luxury hotel website. And honestly, for the room rates they are charging, I would expect a much stronger online presence. So the nightly price they are charging is 1,21,000 to 1,209 rupees. The property looks good. The images, let's check out. Yeah, it is quite good. The decor is awesome. Now let's check out their website. So website looks like a cartoon picture. Like they want to showcase an art form, I guess. But the branding and the positioning looks awesome. Let's look at the internal experience. Okay, again there are cartoons, so they are more focused on the art part. The visuals are good, but I feel it should be in a scroll form so that because a lot of users now have scrolling habits. So they want to go through a website thoroughly by scrolling and discover each part individually instead of clicking on each link again and again and going back and forth. Now let's look at their SEO presence. Let's put the website URL here in CrawlBeast and start the audit. It will complete the audit in few minutes. Now the audit is completed. Let's look at the issues. The score is pretty good still. The score is 86. Here comes the issues. So we have here no index pages, external follow links, canonical mismatch, and some medium issues as well, broken links, 404 pages, and offer pages. So the website SEO team is looks like has not given much thought about these issues. And honestly, these are basics. For a luxury property, the website should tell a story. Right now, it feels a little disconnected on the search experience. So let's see which are the low index pages. Information press. I think this is the important page where it talks about the press. So this is where they are published in multiple different magazines or news portals. This page definitely should be indexed so Google would know better about their expertise. We are not expecting that. Let's look at the external follow links. These are pretty standard website, but yeah, they need to carefully check which links they want to make no follow. Canonical mismatch. Okay, so it is not of a big issue. It is just HTTPS. Next is broken links. Amazing. Things to see and do. Attractions, Delacarte, Theatre, HTML. Well, this is found on the neighborhood page. So definitely they need to fix these. Again, the 404 pages. So these pages needs to be fixed. Next is orphan page links. So they are not giving importance to some of their pages, such as their home page. Multiple H1. So they are confusing as well, do they? See how many number of H1 they have on this page inside the mark. Whole team, please fix it fast. Then there are some low priority issues as well. They need to take care of these issues. One thing luxury hotels often forget, SEO is not just rankings. The website experience itself matters massively. This is actually quite messy for especially for room pages, amenities, collections, duplicate description against important pages. I would expect better storytelling, more room details, stronger content structure. The hotel itself look amazing, but the online experience is not matching the offline experience. This is actually one of the reasons I built CrawlBeast. I wanted a faster way to understand technical issues, prioritize problems, and stop manually checking everything page by page. Honestly, most luxury hotels' website are beautiful visibly, but technically very weak underneath. And fixing even small issues can make a huge difference for visibility, conversions, and direct bookings. Thank you, everybody, and I will see you in the next audit.